For today's video, magme-makeup ulit tayo at ang gagamitin kong mga products ay Careline Cosmetics lang. Alam naman natin na ang Careline ay mas nagiging palaban at humahabol na rin sa mga mamahaling makeup brands. Kaya naisipan kong gumawa ng full face using Careline Cosmetics. Actually, hindi pa ako sigurado kung anong makeup look yung gagawin ko, pero basta bahala na, malalaman natin mamaya. But before we start guys, you guys may follow my social media accounts, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. At pwede po kayo mag-subscribe sa my second channel ko. If interested kayo, lalagay ko link sa description box or just click the I button sa taas. Without further ado, let's start!
First, i-moisturize ko muna yung face ko using this Galactomyces Pure Vitamin C Glow Serum ng Some by Me. Next, I'm going to use this Careline Best Brow Liner in the shade Taupe para sa kilay ko, of course. Binabrush ko muna gamit ng spoolie yung kilay ko bago ako lagyan ng mismong brow product, and then fifillan ko lang yung mga parts kung saan may parang mga spaces. After that, ibabrush ko ulit ng spoolie yung kilay ko para ma-blend ng ayos yung brow product na ginamit or in-apply ko. Next, I'm going to use this Careline Pimple Concealer in the shade Oriental. And then, naglagay lang ako ng Careline Face Powder para iset yung concealer na nilagay ko sa eyelids ko. Gamit tong Careline Hello Sweetie Palette, gagamitin ko tong shade na to para ilagay sa may crease ko. At don't forget to tap the excess, of course. Next, I'm going to use this purple shade para ilagay sa ilalim ng crease ko. And then, I'm going to use this shade para ilagay or i-focus lang sa outer V ng aking eyelids. And of course, don't forget to blend it properly para wala tayong makitang harsh lines or harsh edges. Using the Careline Pimple Concealer, ilalagay ko to sa eyelids ko para mag-create ng half-cut crease. And then, I will use this gold shimmery shade para ilagay kung saan ako naglagay ng concealer. And then, ginamit ko lang ulit yung purple shade para i-blend yung harsh lines. And now, let's proceed to my foundation. Gumamit ako ng Careline Oil Control Liquid Makeup. This is in the shade Oriental. I used a flat kabuki brush para i-blend yung foundation. And gumamit din ako ng sponge para ma-blend pa ng mas maayos at wala tayong makitang straight lines. Again, I'm going to use this Careline Pimple Concealer in the shade Oriental para naman ilagay sa under eye area ko at ilagay sa mga dark spots ng face ko. And of course, i-blend ko ulit siya na maayos using this damp sponge. And now it's time to contour my face. I'm going to use this Careline contour stick. It's really important na mag-contour guys dahil kapag hindi tayo nag-contour, pwedeng maging flat tingnan yung face natin or maging sobrang puti. Again, I'm going to blend it using my damp sponge. And of course, wag nating kalimutang i-contour yung nose natin para naman hindi magmukhang burado yung nose natin. And now it's time to set my foundation. I'm going to use this Careline Oil Control Face Powder in the shade Tan. Make sure na gentle lang yung paglalagay natin ng powder dahil may tendency na mag-move yung foundation na nilagay natin if masyado tayong harsh sa pag-apply. Now I'm going to use this shade from Hello Sweetie palette for my blush. Hindi ko na masyadong dinamihan yung blush ko dahil para sa akin masyado nang dramatic yung eyes ko. Kaya mas okay nang light na lang yung blush para naman hindi na masyadong pangit tingnan yung makeup ko. Using the purple and pink eyeshadow shades, pinaghalo ko sila para ilagay sa lower lash line ko. And then I'm going to use this white shimmery shade para ilagay sa tear ducts ko pati na rin sa brow bone ko. I'm sorry guys, na-delete ko yung clip kung saan nag-eyeliner ako but I used this Careline Graph Ink Liner for my wing eyeliner. And for my highlight, I'm going to use this Careline Strobe Stick. I swear guys, this is one of my favorite highlighters. And i-blend ko na siya using this brush. Actually, itong brush na to is for concealer but ginagamit ko siya bilang highlighter brush ko. And now I'm going to use this Careline Go Big Mascara for my eyelashes. For my lips, I'm using this Careline Lip Balm in the shade Strawberry. For my lipstick, I'm going to use this Careline Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Normcore. To complete my look, I'm just applying this Careline Strobe Stick sa aking lips.
Today's video. Kung nagustuhan niyo itong video na to, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Kung gusto niyo pang makapanood ng next video sa i-upload ko, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. At kung gusto niyo ma-notify if ever na mag-upload ako ng new video, just click the bell button below. Ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!